Does the summer heat make you tired and exhausted? Or do you simply want a home that offers pleasant refreshment? Or a gentle breeze on the balcony on a hot summer evening? Watch this video. Our Fin and Fin mobile fans offer the perfect solution for hot summer days. Curious to see what's inside the box? Here we go. Once you have unpacked everything, all you need is a screwdriver. Then you can start assembling Fin or Fin mobile. First, remove the securing nut for grill, and the knob for fixing the fan blade from the motor housing. Place the protection grill rear onto the motor housing. Now screw securing nut for grill back onto the motor housing. Attach the fan blade to the motor housing, and fix it in position with the fastening knob. Tighten the knob to secure the fan blade. Place the protection grill front onto the protection grill rear, and turn the grills clockwise, until they snap into place. The grills are installed correctly, when the holes for the security screw are at the bottom, and match. Secure the two protection grills with the securing screw. Now first insert the connecting pole onto the foot, until you hear it snap into place, and finally place the assembled fan head onto the top of the connecting pole. By leaving out the connecting pole, the device can also be used as a floor or table fan. Place Fin on a flat surface, and connect him to the power supply. Fully charge Fin mobile before using it for the first time. If all 5 LEDs light up, disconnect Fin mobile from the power supply, and then close the opening with the cover for the USB-C port. The status of the battery can be recognized by the illuminated LEDs. Switch on Fin or Fin mobile by pressing the on/off button. The appliance gives an audible signal. When starting up for the first time, the motor still needs to align itself. Fin and Fin mobile have an automatic horizontal swing function of 120 degrees. The swing function is used to ensure optimum distribution of cooling air throughout the room. To precisely select the wind direction, the vertical position of the fan head can be manually adjusted. From 0 to 90 degrees, you can hold the fan head with both hands, and carefully tilt it to the desired position, for an even more pleasant cooling effect. Fin and Fin mobile offer a natural breeze mode. Usha likes Fin because
all functions of Fin can be easily controlled via the remote control.
Fin and Fin mobile offer 8 speed levels. From a gentle breeze to a strong wind, you have a free choice. Nadine particularly likes Fin mobile because
I can use Fin mobile outdoors and indoors, as his battery has a runtime of 7 hours. And thanks to his outdoor certification, I can also leave Fin mobile running on my balcony.
Leah thinks Fin is great because
I can sleep super relaxed thanks to Fin. In night mode, Fin runs quietly at the lowest wind level and the LEDs are switched off automatically.
the fans also have a timer, so you can choose whether and when Fin switches off automatically. With all Stadler Form products, you benefit from comprehensive support and service, with the security of a 24-month warranty. Our support team is always on hand to make sure you get the best out of your device. And should your flatmate give you any cause for concern, our team will take care of it, quickly and competently.